Guys, if you want to make this delicious pot of soup that you can eat with any swallow of your choice, then you want to watch this video. Hi everyone, and you're welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to be preparing groundnut soup, also known as peanut soup. For this recipe I'll be using goat meat. You can use any meat of your choice, but I just prefer to use goat meat when I'm preparing this. I'll be using groundnuts. This is what it looks like, but I have blended mine. I'll form a paste when I want to use it. Also, you'll be needing some fresh pepper and onion, palm oil. I'll be using prawns, more smoked fish. You can just use any protein of your choice. Bitter leaf also, crayfish, and salt and seasoning cube. So guys, let's begin. So firstly, I'm going to boil my meat. I'm going to be adding the pomo to it because the pomo is really hard and nobody wants to eat tough meat in their meal. So I'm going to be seasoning this meat with onion, seasoning cubes, salt. I'm going to put in enough water to help this meat boil. I don't know if it's just me, but anytime I'm using goat meat, it like takes forever to boil. So I'm going to put enough water to make this boil, and I'm going to cover this till it's ready. So guys, my meat has been boiling for about 25 minutes now, and it's now fully cooked. I'm just going to add enough water to cook my soup completely. So now I'm going to be adding my groundnut paste. I just added a bit of water to the grinded groundnut to form a paste. Then I'll be adding my proteins. I'll be adding the prawn, adding the smoked fish to it, and I'll just let this boil. This has been cooking for a while now. I'm going to put in my crayfish, and at this point you can also taste for salt and seasoning if you need to add any, but I didn't need to add in my case. Next, you'll be adding in your palm oil. You just give this some time to cook properly. And finally, I'll be adding in some bitter leaf. Some people use normal vegetable for this, like ugu for this recipe, but I use bitter leaf and I find out that it comes out way better this way. So I'll just let my soup cook for a while, and guess what guys? This meal is ready. Like, isn't this like the easiest soup to cook? Guys, if you have not by now, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell beside it, give this video a thumbs up, just do all of those nice stuffs, and most importantly, drop your comments. I'd like to hear from you. Like, have you tried groundnut soup before, or is this your first time? Do you have a different way of making it? Just let me get your feedback. I'd like to hear from you. So guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.